Hi there and welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to check your direct booking performance report inside the Channel Manager extranet. This report helps hotels track and analyze bookings made through their own channels, like your website or booking engine, giving you better control over revenue and reducing reliance on OTAs. Let's get started. First, log into your Channel Manager extranet. On the left-hand menu, click on the Performance tab. Now, select the booking date or check-in date range as per your requirement. Wait a moment for the data to load. You'll now see a complete breakdown of your direct bookings, including total direct bookings, total room nights booked, total revenue, average daily rate ADR. You'll also find valuable insights like number of booking engine visitors, number of converted bookings, confirmed versus canceled bookings, traffic source breakdown, including mobile versus desktop, room-level booking trends. This helps you understand what's working and where there's room to grow. And yes, you can download this full report using the button at the top right corner. To learn more about how Bookingjini helps hotels grow direct bookings, visit www.bookingjini.com. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to reach out using the contact details provided below. And don't forget, if this tutorial helped you, give it a like, share it with your team, and check out our channel for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.